What is a NFT? What does NFT stand for? Non-fungible token. That doesn't make it any more clear. Right? Apologies. Non-fungible pretty much implies that it's novel and can't be supplanted with something different. For instance, a Bitcoin is fungible. Exchange one for another Bitcoin, and you'll have the very same thing. An exceptional exchanging card, nonetheless, is non-fungible. Assuming you exchanged it for an alternate card, you'd have something totally unique. You surrendered a Squirtle and got a 1909 T206 Honus Wagner, which Stadium Talk calls the Mona Lisa of baseball cards. I'll believe them. How do NFT function? At an exceptionally significant level, most NFT are essential for the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is a digital money as Bitcoin or Dogecoin, yet its blockchain likewise upholds these NFT, which store additional data that makes them work uniquely in contrast to, say, an ETH coin. It is quite important that other blockchains can execute their own adaptations of NFT. Some as of now have. What merits getting up NFT grocery store? NFT can truly be anything computerized. For example, drawings, music, your cerebrum downloaded and transformed into an AI. Yet a great deal of the current energy is around utilizing the tech to sell advanced workmanship. Do individuals truly think this will become like craftsmanship gathering? I'm certain individuals truly trust so, like whoever paid nearly $390,000 briefly video by Grimes or the individual who paid $6.6 million for a video by Beeple. As a matter of fact, one of Beeple's pieces was sold at Christie's, the well-known. However, NFT are intended to give you something that can't be duplicated. Responsibility for work. However, the craftsman can in any case hold the copyright and proliferation freedoms, very much like with actual fine art. To place it as far as actual craftsmanship gathering, anybody can purchase a Monet print. Be that as it may, just a single individual can claim the first. What is your take of the $3,600 Gucci ghost? Likewise, you didn't allow me to complete prior. That picture that Beeple was unloading at Christie's wound up selling for $69 million, which, incidentally, is $15 million, a greater number of than Monet's painting Nymphias sold for in 2014.